ATOMIUM is a tribotechnical mixture for regenerating and prolonging the life of internal combustion engines, gearboxes, and other car nodes. In essence, the ATOMIUM mixture consists of a balanced combination of crushed minerals which are dispersed in the carrier, mineral oil, or special fluid, depending on the aggregate. What takes place in the friction zone of metal parts? The base of a component obtained during its casting has the correct crystal lattice, which is able to actively interact with the surrounding substances on account of free electrons. In the surface layer of metal, during mechanical machining, this structure deforms, and during operation, the surface of the component is covered by combustion residues, varnishes, and oxides. All of this affects the interaction of the metal surface with mineral oil carbon chains and reduces the effectiveness of its activity. In the first stage, the ATOMIUM mixture acts as a fine abrasive and cleanses the metal surface of oxides and varnishes and balances the sharpest protrusions and roughness of the friction surface. The second stage now occurs, in which the ATOMIUM mixture acts as a catalyst of diffusion processes, wherein it allows metal particles to join the surface layer of the component. The creation of a new metal structure begins, which has a porous structure and consists of the same metal as the component itself. This new structure is able to preserve a large number of oil carbon chains on the surfaces of the component. The narrowing of the gaps between the friction surfaces and maintaining of a denser oil layer results in several improvements when the aggregate is operated. The hydraulic density of the cylinder piston group is increased. Friction losses are reduced, which leads to reduced fuel consumption. The outflow of gases to the crankcase is reduced. Lubricating oil is less oxidized and its durability is increased. Compression is renewed. The hydrodynamic friction zone is expanded. Parameters such as pressure, density of the oil layer, temperature enter into a state of energy balance and a new layer ceases to grow. If the surface of the geomodifier particle is worn down, it reactivates the process to rebalance the entire system. Layered silicate crystals in the ATOMIUM mixture are natural minerals and do not react with chemically active additives in a standard package, which allows for the initial properties of oil to be preserved. A carefully chosen mineral bearing, a multi-stage inspection and testing of the properties of the material, and unique natural combination of substances makes ATOMIUM an effective and safe agent for the regeneration and protection of automobile aggregates.